Hey guys, it's my tech area, and today I'm going to be reviewing this, I think it's MHL, yeah, MHL cable. So it's like a micro USB to HDMI cable. So the brand name is Belinda HDMI. And you have two cables, because it does drain your battery pretty fast, so you get a little charger. It does charge too when you plug it into, you plug this little HDMI, not HDMI, but USB into your TV, or, I don't know, something. And then you plug it into your, I don't know. But this is how it says. I'll go show you it on Amazon right now. Alright, here we go. Pull it up real quick. And here it is. So we got this thing. It costs $7. And no super, no for, please. Okay. Okay, so it says support 1080p full HD, so that's pretty cool. I do like that. And it says support for the S5, S4, S3, no 3, no 2, no 2, no 8.0, and no 10.1. So the 8.0 and 10.1 are tablets. Alright, might have support for the S6. They probably just didn't put that in here yet, because it's probably S6 is probably newer than this. So trying to look here. Okay. Oh. Will it work for the Galaxy Tab 4? It works on my Note 4. Not answering the question. But yeah, I'm not sure about the S6, but I'll look further into that, and I'll put in a link in it. I'll put not a link, but I'll put it in the description if I find anything. Sorry about my stuttering, stuff like that. But let's go to the TV then. There, so I'm gonna turn on the TV now. Back here I have it like, here's the USB, and then the HDMI is back there, so yeah. You might have to turn this on. Just give this a minute. Oh, never mind. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, it might be this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug my phone in, and then I'll get back with you. Alright, so I got ready to plug in, and there we go, it's plugged in. You got that little noise there. It says HDMI connected or something like that. But, yep, there we go. So, so response time is pretty fast, I guess. But just waiting for this here. We're gonna go to my channel. And there we go. We'll pull up my most recent one. Okay, for some reason I hear it going through my phone and not the TV. Oh, that's pretty odd. Hey guys, it's Mobile Tech here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you. This TV may not support sound, by this, but you can't see it does work though. So you can just watch it like this if you want to. But you can see you got the whole phone on there on that TV. So swipe down. Wait. Oops. There we go. Swipe down, you got your notifications, stuff like that. So yeah, it is pretty cool though, I gotta say. I do like this. So actually I'm gonna go upstairs and plug it into my other TV and then see if it works. So we got the TV turned on right now. It's plugged into the TV. I just didn't plug in the what's it called? There we go. I didn't plug in the, what is it called? Wow. I didn't plug in the USB, so it's not charging right now. And on this TV, it's cut off for some reason. But it does play through the speakers. Show you my top 3 games of 2015. So first, well, actually it's not first, but I mean yes it is. And by the way, I just want to put out there that I have a code, so if I have a code. Yep, so it does work. But I just wanted to do this quick little video to show you this new cord I got. It's pretty affordable if you don't want to get like a $35 Chromecast or a Samsung All-Share little adapter, which costs $100 or something like that. $50 or $100. It's pretty crazy. But you can just get this cord at an affordable price on Amazon. And if you can't use the credit card to go on Amazon, all you gotta do is go to a store near you and get a gift card. The lowest is $15. Well, actually, the lowest is $25, but you get a Kindle gift card that's $15, but it'll work on Amazon just fine. But thanks for watching, everyone. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.